Feels good to be back. I haven't done one of these in a while. Actually, I have like the spreads tutorial. It's the first ever video on my channel that I've received thanks for, and that 3 times. And I actually had a discussion with a guy in the comments section, and we kind of made a point over what tutorial I should make next. And he asked me about something, and this tutorial is gonna be about that alone because I can't really mix it up with any of my other tutorials. So I'm likely gonna release another video today, another tutorial. I'm gonna make it right after this one. But I literally just woke up and I was like, I gotta do this. I can't leave the guy waiting. So here we are. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna make the sprite outlines flash or just the sprites themselves, because that's pretty much what I understood. So first you gotta make a character. We already made a character in the previous video, so we're gonna go for Drip Grunt, which I made a song for, by the way. So I'm gonna make a tutorial for music, for song covers, because I kind of got the hang of what you need. Alright, so we got Drip Grunt, easy, straightforward. So in order to make an animation, you just take one of these in the library. Let's say idle, because that's the first one. You duplicate it. I'm gonna name it Grunt Flash. You make a new layer. No, hold on. Up here. You make a new layer. You name it Flash. Let's hide everything else and just, this is a blank layer right now. And right now it's not a blank layer. Good. Double click on this. In order to make the sprites flash, you're gonna need to keyframe each frame here. So right click on what you've selected, convert to frame by frame animation, keyframe each frame. And now they're all keyframed. You can remove classic tween here. So you got all this, all right? It looks just like it should. Well, if you play it up here, it'll do the same thing. Now, how do you make these in-betweens disappear? Because if you do this and you remove frames, it will just remove it. Like, it will push everything else. It will shove it into the first frame. You don't need that. You're actually just gonna click delete, because it's gonna delete every single object that you have. Like everything that's selected, not the frame itself. So you just delete. Delete, do that every each and other frame. Message. Alright. So where were we? This is how it looks like so far. Hold on, you can't really see that here. Here. This is how it looks like. If you wanted to not have this lower frame here, you're just gonna select these 3, Control-Alt-C, and over here Control-Alt-V, and you're just gonna paste it. And you're gonna do that every each and other frame. Actually, every frame, why not? Let's make it 10 frames long. Okay, and now every each and other frame you deselect them, you delete them. There we go. And now if we put this on repeat, here's how it looks. I forgot to give the epilepsy warning. Yeah, so since I guess I can put that in the title line, it's not that much of a problem right now. You can put that in the title. All right. So that's how you make the sprites flash. So this is the animation up here, how it looks like. And now you could do something cool with it. You can kind of distort it so that it looks like the character is flashing, like fading out or something. I don't know. I'm just saying. You can tween these, and move them, rotate them, just go crazy on this. Look at that. Look at the difference between these two. Alright. this frame, let's... I have an idea. Let's do this. Let's do this. No. Okay. Let's take the microphone, let's put it here. For this frame, we're gonna rotate the microphone this way. Hold on, someone's spamming me. Okay. Gotta tell everyone I'm making a tutorial right now and I can't talk on the phone. And yet they're still spamming me. Yeah, I'm just gonna ignore that for now. I'm not rotating it that way. I'm just gonna do this and just move them down. How does it look like so far? It looks cool. I think it looks cool. Alright. And for this one, we're gonna just swap. We're gonna swap everything. We're gonna swap the roles of everything. There we go. That we're doing. And now, you click up here. Look at that. We made our boy Flash. So now what you're gonna do, you can't just generate sprite sheet. If you already have a sprite sheet for the other animations, you're gonna click all of them, generate sprite sheet, and choose where to export it, whatever. I'm gonna export it in sprite sheets as usual. Drip Grunt to Framer 2.0. Export. Good. Now let's go in here in sprite sheets. Drip Grunt to Framer 2.0. No, hold on. I have an idea. Let's just over here. I'll just keyframe each frame. Okay, I'll disable repeat. Take this. Hold on. Remove classic tween. Let's see if it still works. Yeah, okay. Now, let me just do that. Can I do this? I can't. Okay. Let's just make it 10 frames long so I don't have to edit the JSON. Because it will just take a little longer. But that's also a way, if you may. Good. Now, we shall export it again. Hold on, let me just check out idle if it's good. Okay, it's good. Generate sprite sheet. Browse. I'm just gonna replace this. It's also gonna replace the JSON. Yeah. Export. Yes. Good and amazing. And now it's this. Look at it. Look at him go. Okay. So this is Drip Grunt to Framer 2. You're gonna take these, copy whatever. This is the folder where I export everything. Here. Images, characters, right? Right. Let's just Drip Grunt. Let's call this Drip Grunt Flash. Right? Flash. There we go. And you just go in Psych Engine, do the whole thing, get your character in there. I'm not gonna skip it in case you need to know. I mean, in case you didn't understand it on the first try, I'm just gonna do it again. It doesn't take long anyway. There we go. Character editor. Excuse my accent, but I feel like my accent is a little off this morning. I feel like I'm speaking English as if I'm drunk, and I don't like it. Okay. So we're gonna take Drip Grunt. We're gonna just make it over Drip Grunt. The icon, we'll look at the icon. Drip Grunt Flash. Reload image. See if everything works. Okay. But now we're gonna add an animation. We're gonna call it flash. And here we're gonna name it grunt flash. Let's make it loop. Update. Whoa! Look at this baby go. Okay. Idle. Let me just move this up. Does it even move up? I can't tell. Oh, of course it doesn't. Now it does. Wait. It doesn't take the... Wait, it doesn't take the blank frames. Okay, that's... Oh. Why does it not take the blank frames? Is it... Hold on just a moment. I think there should be a setting for that. Is there a setting for that? Trim... Stack frames. Detect and exclude duplicate frames from our outfit. No. PNG 32-bit. Okay. Yeah, you see it doesn't take the blank frames. Dear God. Dear God. There must be a solution for this. Nothing likely. Okay, wait. What's it do? What's it do? What's this do? Does it... What? I think it just... Yeah, whatever. We don't need that yet. Alright, this works so bad. Preview. Yeah. That's the down animation. What if we go downwards and over the idle? No, okay, you don't wanna. Whatever. How do we do it? How do we do it? How do we do it? Cancel. Grunt flash. Hold on. Let's do that. You see, they're good, but it doesn't export the blank frames, which is a bummer. I think I know what we could do, but it wouldn't work as well because I don't know how much we can shrink it. We can make these, we can just copy this on this frame and shrink them really, really badly. And like until they're not even visible on the screen, that would work. But I guess on a white background, it would still show a spot or something. It could not fit it. It could not show anything. Okay. Well, this is a tricky one. How do I do it? How do I do it? Make animation flash. So it looks good here, but for some reason it doesn't export the blank frames. Yeah, well, I think I know a way. Hold on. I got it. But you're gonna need to edit the sprite sheet itself, and that is gonna be a little tricky, but that is not gonna be a problem. So you take these frames, just so that you can have them here, so it exports them. I'm gonna copy them in, hold on. Copy paste them in every slot. Sorry for making you do things all over again. This tutorial is such a mess, but it doesn't matter. How does it look like? Whatever. That is not what they asked me to do, so we're gonna take this. We're gonna export a sprite sheet out of these. Hold on, let me close Fire Knife for now, so that it doesn't affect anything. Okay, browse, drip run to Framer 2.0, export, yes. Good. Now let's make a new project. How not Microsoft Teams, goddamn. Oh, this is gonna affect my performance so bad. That's so gonna affect my performance. Good. So drip grunt flash. How much? This is a sprite sheet. This is how it looks. All this. Wait, what? Hold on. Did I not export it correctly? Because I feel like I feel like it's stacked frames again. I so feel like it's stacked frames again. So 496 or 4096. 4096. There we go. Create that, and we're gonna import our sprite sheet in there. But for some apparent reason, it's stacked frames, which is not what I need. It says clearly here it doesn't stack frames. Trim frames to optimize file size. What if I don't? What if I don't trim? What if I don't trim them? No, I'm gonna do trim just because it feels like it affects performance or something. So stack frames, it clearly says it doesn't stack frames. How do I let me just where is it? Is it this one? Is it what? Oh no, they are good. They are good. Look, it's this one, then this one again. Here, 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 and here. And then the rest of them is probably just the idle animation. Yeah, it's just the idle animation because that's what comes next. Okay. So the spreadsheet looks good. We're gonna export it again just to be sure. Save, yes. Export, yes. Good. So that's our spreadsheet. We go in here, and in this project, we're gonna go to File, I said, Import, import to stage. You can just Control R. Oh, I exported it from the Doki folder. Sorry for that. Sheets, DripGrunt 2.0. There. You want to export this? Import, sorry. And now you're going to take every single second frame and just hold on. I can't select it, can I? I can't even double click it, right? Because it's an image. How do I wait? Boop. You can't do that? You seriously can't do that? Hold on, cover layer symbol, graphic symbol 1. What? It doesn't. Okay, so that idea doesn't work. So then, how do I make the animations flash? How do I make them flash? Let's just. I don't know. I mean, you can do what I did, but the animation I'm gonna get is just the normal frames flying around, which already looks decent, but I don't think that's what you want. Oh. Oh well. I could. What could I do? Let's try the shrink one. It's kind of my last resort. So let's just shrink this. Wait, no. Wait, there's a maximum shrinking thing? Hold on, how does it look like? He is still there. Can I shrink him more? I can't shrink him more. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. I can still shrink him. This is the maximum amount of shrinking that I can do on a single. I can't. Yeah, this is the max. So yeah, if you don't look, it's not even there. Look at that. It's not even there. Only if you do that. He's not there. Okay, we're gonna take this. This might actually just work, but on a white background, I don't know if it works, but let's just hope it does. Control Alt C. Let's hope you're not using a white background. Baboosh and baboosh. How does it look like? Properties. No, library. Sorry, Flash. Yeah, looks decent. What about you? You look decent? You do. It's like it flashes actually because there's nothing here. Look, there's just a little dot. It's just a little dot. If maybe it's like, hold on. No, that little dot was actually on my screen, so it wasn't. Yeah, it's literally invisible right now. That could work because it's not a blank frame. That could actually work. Generate spreadsheet. I want to see how it looks like. They are somewhere in between here. I know they are. I know they are. Look at that. It's not even. They're not even here. You can't even see them. They're so tiny you can't see them. That's a relief. All right. Then drip grunt to Framer 2.0 again. Export. Boom. That could be the one that works. Drip grunt flash. Hold on, this is my, wait, on sprite sheets here. In sheets, take these two, back in here. Spoiler alert, Daddy Issues is a song, it's a dad battle cover. I'm not, if you're cultured in Doki Doki Literature Club, because this mod is kind of a Doki Doki Literature Club mod, because right now I'm in my DDLC phase again. I don't know how good that is, but apparently I'm in my DDLC phase again. So if you're cultured in that manner, you know who I'm talking about. You know damn well who I'm talking about. Yeah, whatever, that was a spoiler alert for the mod. I made a mod, and you might want to check it out. I'm gonna put the link in the description. It sucks, but it's alright. It's decent. Flash. Okay. Let's name this. Actually, yeah, we didn't save the character, so I think it should work. I don't think it remembers the image if we didn't save the character. If this doesn't work, I don't know what else to try, and I'm really sorry that I couldn't make this. But if it does work, you grant me a cookie. You're gonna give me a cookie. You're gonna give me a cookie in the comment section. All right, let's go back to drip grunt. Drip grunt wash. Animations. What error? Wait, what? What error? Is it a drip grunt flash? Hold on. Images, please. Icons. No, not icons. Sorry for that. Characters. Yeah, it's drip grunt flash. Hold on. Let me just take it like this. There we go. Oh, it's because it's with the space. Sorry. Okay. So let's do it again. Flash. Grunt. Flash. Yeah, I should loop. Okay. Here it is. It's working. It's actually working. Hold on. Let me just make it. Let me just spam it up. There. You got it. It's working. It actually flashes. I can't believe it. I can't believe this strat actually worked. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Alright, we're gonna save the character. If you don't want it to just go crazy like that, you know what you do. You just instead of these going crazy frames, you just put one frame, or actually another frame. You just go crazy with whatever you want. Let's just replace drip grunt with this, right? With this, I'm gonna give you a little spoiler note. Probably just a little bit of a, let's call it a let's play Madness Club. No, not Madness Club, not Madness. I want to show you guys this one. This one's the good one. I want to show you the bad one, the one I'm using drip grunt in. I'm not using drip grunt in Madness Club. Free to play. Agati. It's an Agati cover. The old version. I don't know if I'm getting copy strike, but I don't think. Well, not copy strike. Right, there it is. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna give you a little tutorial on how to remove GF because it's in Psych Engine. I don't think there's a code for that. Okay, it's working. Yeah, by the way, they use the same voice banks, but like the girl on the right is more high pitched because I'm lazy, but actually sounds decent. Okay, hold on. At the beat drop part, I want drip grunt to have an animation because the girl also has one. Just let's see. Okay. Somewhere over here. Okay, here. Events, play animation, value 1, animation to play, flash, not flash, data. Good. Let's hope it actually lasts, so we're gonna, wait, if I do this, these notes will cancel the animation, so let me just note, no animation. Over here, over here, over here, I think. Good. And we're gonna keep the animation for this one. Good. Let's song save. Data, Rogati. There. Let's see how it is. We're gonna boot up the bot play so that I don't cringe out while I'm bad at Friday Night Funkin'. I'm still bad at Friday Night Funkin'. Even though I almost FC'd Madness one time. There's a Madness cover in the mod. Allow me. lads. It actually worked. I didn't expect it to work on the first try like that. Also, I hope you like the alt title that I made for the girl. The one on the right. The one where she throws her mic in the air. It's perfection. Alright. So with that, I think we can close Adobe Animate. We actually did it. We improvised it. It worked. So yeah, that's how you do it. There's probably another easier way, but you know, when you don't know what it is, you just make up one of your own. I really hope this helped, though I think it did. I hope you didn't mean like the outlines. I hope you didn't mean how to move the outlines, how to make the outlines flash, because first of all, that would just look weird, especially on a black background. That wouldn't even make a difference if your outline is black. It would just make the outlines appear and disappear again. It wouldn't make a difference. But if you do want to do that, it's a lot easier. You just take your sprites, double click on them, and then double click on every single part of their body, of every section of their body, let's say. Take your fill tool and actually no, your fill tool. Yeah, your fill tool, and select on the color selector. You want to select the one that looks like a tiny rectangle with a red line through it. That's transparent. You're gonna pick that and you're gonna paste it on the outline or whatever other part you want. I could have made that. I could have done that. But no, wait. You gotta duplicate the symbol in order to... I could have done that, but it would have taken a lot longer. That could have actually worked. If you don't understand what I mean by that, I'm gonna make another tutorial for that if you want. And maybe just make it a list and send you the link or something. So yeah, that was it for this tutorial. I would say today's tutorial, but I'm gonna make another one. Did this tutorial take... It took 32 minutes. Just because I'm dumb and I couldn't figure it out on the first try. Okay, I'm severely skibuffled by this. It's not even a word. Right. So sprite outlines or sprites or whatever flashed. Now next tutorial, see here what it is. And the song covers is gonna come after that in another tutorial. Until then, hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, you know what to do. Funny numbers. I can do the funny numbers thing now because like 96% of the people that watch my videos aren't actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind. Have a wonderful day.